Good morning, viewers. We are going to continue with our paper on number 10b. Number 10b says find the highest common factor of 8. Highest common factor of 8 k l squared m 28 k squared l cubed m and 36 l squared m n. Right. What we are going to do is we are going to express 8 as a product of its prime factors, 28 as well, and 36 as well. So our 8 is 2 here, it's 4, 2 into 2 into 4, that's 2, then 2 into 2, that's 1. Then for our 28, it's 2 into 28, we have 14, 2 into 14, 7, then divide by 7, into 7 we have 1. Then for 36, it's 2 is the first prime number, the smallest one, that's 18, 2 into 18, that's 9, then we have 3 into 9, that's 3, 3 into 3, that's 1. Now, our 8 is equals to 2 by 2 by 2, simply take these factors. Then our 28 is 2 by 2 by 7, then our 36 is 2 by 2 by 3 by 3. Now, the highest common factor HCF is this 2 times this 2. We are taking those factors which are common. So this is 4. So this is the highest common factor of 8, 28, and 36. Now, for our answer, the HCF is equals to, for these 8, 28, and 36, we have 4. Now, we have K here, K here. Then there is no K here. So, K cannot be a common factor. Now we have L squared, L cubed, and L squared. For the highest common factor of L squared, L cubed, and L squared, we simply take the one with the smallest power. So L squared is the common. Then for M, we have M here, then also M here. So M is also another common factor. Then for N, there is no N here. So this is the highest common factor, 4L squared M. That's the highest common factor. This is for 2 marks. So that was number 10. B. Number 11. Number 11 reads, the points 6, 2, 6, and 8, 5 lie on a straight line. Find the gradient of line AB. So we have A with the coordinates 6, 2, and B with the coordinates 8, 5. Now, gradient is equals to increase in y over increase in x. This is translated to y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So simply label our coordinates. Maybe let's say this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. So simply substitute in our formula. So y1 is 2 minus y2 is 5 all over x1 is 6 minus x2 is 8. And this is equals to 2 minus 5, we get minus 3, over 6 minus 8, we get minus 2. This is equals to 3 over 2. So our gradient is 3 over 2. That is the gradient of line AB. Even if you say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, there's no problem. You still got the same answer as 3 over 2. This is for 1 mark. So question B, 11b says find the equation of line AB, giving the answer in the form y is equals to mx plus 2. We are now going to calculate the equation of line AB, giving our equation in this form. This is y is equals to mx plus c, where our m is the gradient, and the c, this is c, is the y-intercept. We are saying where the line crosses the y-axis. So we are going to use this gradient for m substituting. Then we want to find the value of what? The value of c. So we are going to say y is equals to 3 over 2x plus c. We want to find the value of c. So we are going to use any coordinates here, either a or b, to find the value of c. So let's use a, 6, 2. So we are saying our x is 6, our y is 2. So y, we are replacing by 2, is equals to 3 over 2 into 6 for x plus c. 2 here, 1, 2 into 6, that's 3. Then multiply 3 times 3, that's 2 equals to 9 plus c. Like terms, this becomes 2 minus 9 is equals to c. Then minus 7 is equals to c. Therefore, our y is equals to 3 over 2x minus 7. This is our equation of the line in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Our c, that's minus 7, and our m, that's 3 over 2. Thank you very much. This is for only 2 marks. This is only for 2 marks. That's now the equation of the line AB. Then moving on to number 12. Number 12, we want to simplify the given expression for 3 marks. That's a lot of marks. Cannot afford to lose those marks, so we need to be very careful on this question. That's number 12. That's number 12. Simplify 2a plus 6 all over a minus 3 divided by a plus 3 all over a squared minus 2a minus 3. The most important thing is to factorize. Where we are supposed to factorize, let's factorize. Then you'll see that at the end of the expression, we are going to cancel some of the terms. So for 2a, the common factor is 2, open bracket, a plus 3, all over a minus 3, divided by a plus 3, all over. Let's factorize the denominator. If we factorize the denominator, we are having a squared minus 2a minus 3. If we multiply these two terms, we get minus 3a squared. So we want to find the factors of minus 3a squared, which give us, when added, the middle term. So it's a squared minus 3a plus a minus 3. If you say minus 3a plus a, you get minus 2a. So we factorize these two terms and these two terms. This one common factor is a, we have a minus 3. Then here we have plus 1, still we have a minus 3. So it's a plus 1, a minus 3. So this becomes a plus 1, a minus 3. Now the next step, we are going to change the division sign to multiplication sign. That's the rule. So this becomes 2 into a plus 3 all over a minus 3 multiplied by, we invert now, a plus 1, a minus 3 over a plus 3. Let's put brackets here. Now let's cancel terms which cancels out. This cancels and this cancels, 1, 1. Then this cancels out and also this cancels out, 1, 1. Then we are left with 2 into a plus 1. So at the end we multiply, we have 2a plus 2 for 3 marks. That's very interesting. 2a plus 2. You need to be very careful, especially when factorizing these terms. Thank you very much. That's one for 3 marks. Then number 13a. Number 13a. The question is on ratios. Express the ratio 3.5 kgs as to 800 grams in its simplest forms. Now, to express this ratio in its simplest form, the units must be the same. So, we want to change the 3.5 kgs to grams first. So, we are multiplying by 1000. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So, we say 3.5 times 1000. And we have 3,500. So it's now 3,500 as to 800. We are no longer going to write the units because they are now in the same unit. So we divide both by 100 and we cancel this 0. So it's 35 as to 8. This is the simplest form. No further factor here. This is for one mark. We need to be very, very careful. When the units are different, we just need to convert so that we have same units, as ratios are always in same units. That's how we can compare ratios. They need to be in the same units. So we've converted 3.5 kgs to grams, multiplying by 1000. This is for 1 mark. Thank you very much. Then our next question reads, in 2016, a farmer harvested 4.5 tons of maize. This was 20% more than what he had harvested in 2015. Find the number of tons of maize the farmer harvested in 2015. Right. If the harvest is increased by 20%, it means in 2015 the farmer had what? Let's say in 2015 the farmer is what? 100%. So in 2016 the farmer has increased what? To 20%. So we now have 220, 120%. So for us to get the tons harvested in 2015, we simply say 100 divided by 120 times 4.5 tons. Then if we cancel the 0 here, then 2 into 10, that's 5. Here is 6. So this becomes 5 over 6 times 4.5 times over 1. Right, if you simplify here, 3 here is 2, 3 here, that's 1.5. 1.5 by 5, you get your 7.5 divided by 2, you get your 3.75 tons. So in 2015, the farmer harvested 3.5 tons. I think there's no problem there. This is for 2 marks. You simply must be very careful here, where we are saying in 2015 the farmer harvested 100%. So in 2016 he added 20%. So the harvest is increased by 20%. So it's now 120%. So for us to get the harvest in 2015, we are now saying 100 for 2015 divided by what? By 120 for 2016, multiplied by the number of tons harvested in 2016. Thank you very much for that. Then number 14a is on inequalities. It's for simplify the inequality. 4 minus 5 x less than 2x plus 8. We simply treat this as an equation where we are saying if any term crosses the inequality sign, it changes what? It changes sign. So we take like terms together. This becomes minus 5x minus 2x plus, less than 8 minus 4. If we subtract here, minus 5x minus 2x, we get minus 7x, being less than 4. Then let's divide both sides by minus 7. Now, when we are dividing by minus 7, or when we are dividing by negative, we reverse the sign. So it becomes minus 7x over minus 7. This becomes greater than 4 over minus 7. So this becomes our x greater than minus 4 over 7. This is now the solution. This is for 2 marks. Let us be very, very careful here. When you divide an inequality with a negative, you reverse the sign. So this is why now the left hand side is bigger than the right hand side, because we've divided by the negative. Thank you. That's for 2 marks. Then for B, 14B, the question reads, write down the smallest integer that satisfies the inequality. The smallest integer now that satisfies the inequality, we are now looking at the solution set of this inequality. So for x, we are now saying the solution set to take for integer values only, we start from 0 going upwards. So the smallest integer is what? Is 0. This is for 1 mark. The smallest integer is 0, because x is greater than minus 4 over 7. So that's the smallest integer. Thank you very much for that. We must also be very careful when dealing with inequalities. We treat them the same as we do on equations. So there's no worry on that one. Just relax. Now, let's move on to number 15. Number 15 is on logs. Number 15 is on logs. Number 15 is on logs. Given that log A is equals to 3 and log B is equals to 7, calculate log AB. We are now simplifying these logs using the laws of logarithms. Now, log A is equals to 3. Log B is equals to 7. Now for us to simplify log AB. So log AB is the same as, we are now saying log A times log B. This is the same as log A plus log B. When we multiply, we add. So log A is 3, log B is 7. So this is 3 plus 7. We get 10 for 1 mark. For 1 mark. No problem with that one. The idea, they are only questioning you whether you know the laws of logarithms. So it's no problem. You need to master those laws. The 3 laws of logarithms. The addition one, the subtraction one, and the power one. Now, question B says log 1 over B. Log 1 over B. Right, from laws of indices, 1 over B is the same as B to the power minus 1. So this is log B to the power minus 1. And from laws of logarithms, this one is minus 1 log B. Minus 1 times log B. And this becomes minus 1 times, what is log B? Log B is 7. So we simply multiply minus 1 by 7. You get what? Minus 7. So log 1 over B is minus 7. This is for 1 mark. Then C, we have log cube root of A. Again, from laws of logarithms, the cube root of A is the same as log A to the power 1 over 3. Then we apply the laws of logarithms. This becomes 1/3 log A. And this becomes 1 over 3 times log A, which is 3. And the 3 and 3 cancels out, and you get 1. So log cube root of A is 1. This is for 2 marks. That's 2 marks. I think there's no problem here. These questions are very simple. We need to be very, very much familiar with the laws of logarithms for you to tackle these type of questions. Thank you very much. Then let's move on to number 16. I think for today, number 16 will be our last question. question number 16 is on functional notation. It's on functional notation. I think we all know the substitution method, how to substitute values. So we are going to do substitution on this problem. Now it reads, if a function f of x is equals to x plus 4 in brackets and also 2x minus 1 in brackets, find f of 3. To simplify f of 3, the 3 takes the value of x. So we are now simplifying, we are substituting where we have x, we put 3. So it's now 3 plus 4 in bracket 2 times 3 minus 1 in bracket. First we need to clear brackets first. This is 7 in brackets, open bracket, 2 times 3 we get 6 minus 1. So now this is 7, 6 minus 5 minus 1 we get 5. And 7 times 5, this becomes 30, 35. For 2 marks. So let's be very careful here. We need to simplify what is inside the bracket first, then we simplify. Then 7, at the end we have 7 times 5. In this bracket we have 1 term, in this bracket we have 1 term. Then you multiply, get your 35. Then a last one for today, that's question 16b. 16b is an equation. When equation says solve, it means we need to find the value of the unknown. In this case, our unknown is m. So we want to find the value of m. So this is 3m over 4 minus m over 3 is equals to 2.5. I will write 2.5 first like this. Then let's go further. This is 3m over 4 minus m over 3 being equals to, as an improper fraction, 2 times 2 plus 1, that's 5 over. Now we need to clear the fraction first for us to simplify easily. So we find the common denominator between 4, 3 and 2 is 12. So multiply everything by what? By 12. So this becomes now 12 times 3m over 4, close the bracket, minus 12 times m over 3, close the bracket, is equals to 12 times 5 over 2. And let's simplify. 4 into 12, that's 3. 3 times 3m is 9m. Sorry, repeat this one. Now 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 12, that's 4. Minus 4 times m, we get minus 4m. Being equals to 2 into 12, that's 6. 6 times 5, we get 30. Now this becomes a linear equation. It is now very, very, very simple. 9m minus 4m, we get our 5m. Being equals to 30. Now we divide both sides by 5. 5 here, 1. We are left with m is equals to 5 into 30, that's 6. So the value of m is 6. The value of m is 6. Be very careful when solving fractional equations. You need to clear the fraction part first, so that you're left with a linear equation. A linear equation is very easy to simplify. So for today, I think we are going to, this is for 2 marks. So for today, we are going to end here. Any problem, feel free to ask in the comment section there. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Tuta Roche. It's bye-bye for now. Thank you very much.